welcome back to Villains and Vice. I'm Beth and I'm back today with another video at home with a little bit of everything. We've got pins, we've got a pop, we've got a present. I have two pins, I have a new pop, and I have a present from my friends Sam, Dave, Emma, and Henry over at Heartland Family Adventures. I have no idea what's in this. I met up with them in the parks when I was in Florida the last time, and they sent this as a thank you. They're so sweet. They're the nicest family. We'll do this last because we've got to build some suspense. We'll start with the small pins, move to the pop, and the coup de grace will be this package. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so I'm going to start with this little pin. I don't know where I found it, eBay maybe Mercari. Well, there's a little note on the backer. Okay, hope it's not lost. It's from Pins and More BST. So pinsandmorebst.com. And now I remember what it is because I accidentally peeked. It is going to be a perfect addition to my Evil Queen pin board. It's so cute. Okay, cute might not be the right word, but I think it's cute. It is the old hag holding the poison apple. I love it. I love the expression on her face as she looks at the poison apple. I love how the poison apple is dripping like the poison from the cauldron. You guys know I love the poison apple. It's like my favorite motif. If it has a poison apple on it, I'm gonna wanna buy it. So I've rearranged my pin boards a little bit. And now the Evil Queen is no longer sharing with Rucifer because if you saw my latest video, I got really huge, really gorgeous pins from Seth and Lauren, and they kind of took over my pin board. So we moved some of these ladies around. She just fits. Here she is in all her glory. All of her friends. All right, so that's pin number one. Let's see what's behind door number two. So oh my gosh. See, I forgot I did this. So these pins are from Roxy at Anyone Can Pin. Mentioned her before, I've gotten some really great pins from her. And I got some pins that are, oh my gosh, there's one here. Let's hope Mike doesn't watch this video. So I got several pins from her. She must have had a board and I must have gone crazy. The first pin I got is this one. So if anyone is in need of this super awesome Evil Queen with a poison apple, you let me know because apparently I got two and now I have an extra. It was a pink a la mode exclusive. They really do have great pins. But so, anyway, I'm dumb and I have two. See, I'm out of control, out of control. And then these weren't a set, but I collect these characters. Well, I guess two of them are technically the same character. And I collect the others, so I was like, oh, I have to have these cute little style villain pins. We have Maleficent. We have the old hag, but don't worry, it's not 3 of the same pin. This one is different. Look at her. She looks like she was just, she reminds me of like a kitten or a puppy with her little hunchback. She's like almost like ball-like. I picture her kind of bouncing. She has her little basket and her little apple, and she's, dare I say the old hag is cute? I think she's cute. And then we have this very haughty evil queen, also holding a poison apple, but looking just so disgusted. So these are adorable and I had to have them, so I'll see if I can find room on here. It's, real estate is very limited, folks. Very, very limited. All right, we made it. Everyone's on there. But I do not think I'm fitting any more pins on this board. All right, onto the pop. What are the chances that this is a duplicate? I'm just kidding, it's not. Okay, so I very recently mentioned that I realized now that there are Britney Spears pops and decided that, yeah, I need them. I need to collect them. So I am on my way to hopefully getting all of them, or most of them. And this is going to be my second one. And I'm an out of the box collector. This one is Britney Spears from the Toxic video. All right, here she is. She's got her big old sassy earrings on. Speaking of earrings, I'm wearing some of my Abby Kate earrings today. Are they pretty? They're so light, I almost forgot I had them on. All right, here she is. She's holding a glass of champagne for her first class customers. Got her little hat, her hair in the back, your earrings, little gray pump. She's so cute. She's so cute. So now Circus Britney won't have to be all by herself. All right, we've seen the pins, my little mishap. We've seen the pop. Are you guys ready to see what's in this package? Because I am super stoked about it. I'm not sure if you are familiar with Heartland Family Adventures. If you're not, then you need to definitely check out their channel. I will link it above and below. They have such awesome content. They're such a great family. They do a lot of stuff at the parks. They do recipes at home. And Sam and Dave do the best dining reviews. They do mostly Disney stuff, but they live in the Midwest, so they do a lot of videos from the Branson area too, so very fun, lots of cool things. All right, they very sneakily covered it all with tissue paper, so I can't tell what's in here. So this is hilarious. There is a card. Wait till you see this, you're gonna die. Beth and Mike. It has Snow White ready to take a bite of that poison apple. It's aw, thanks. So cute, that's a really cute card. So again, we helped them out on their trip when they were down. So Emma drew these drawings for me because she knows I love villains. These are the best. Here's the Queen. Emma, you are the best. You got all of my favorites. Oh my gosh, thank you. I'm definitely framing these, and we're getting ready to move my office from the dining room into the actual office, and these will definitely be in there. Thank you so much, Emma. That was so sweet. All right, so you're not gonna believe this. They got me, this is awesome, 6 boxes of mystery villain pins. And as much as I really want to open them now, I'm going to save them. I know Maddie's itching to do another mystery unboxing, and this will be courtesy of Heartland Family Adventures, which will make it extra special. Yes. Just a little something from our family to yours. There are some wonderful cocktail recipes in this book, and the wallflower candle lights up as a poison apple. That's what's in that. So they sent me this Villains cookbook. How perfect is this? You know I love a good cocktail. And I opened right up to lion's share farro salad, which looks delicious. I would definitely eat that. Oh my gosh, what else we got in here? Poor Unfortunate Rolls. Oh, I see these in my future. Look how delicious those look. Peddler's Disguise. I'm gonna have to jump back into Evil Spirits and start making some more cocktail videos. Thank you guys so much. That was so, so sweet. I can't wait to make some of these. Maybe take a page out of my friend Joey at Tastes Like Disney's book and start cooking for the channel maybe a little bit. I actually really love to cook. I don't know if you guys know that, but that's something I very much enjoy doing. I just don't usually video it. This is great. I cannot wait to get into this, especially with cooler months coming up. I spend a lot of time inside cooking, so thank you. All right, and last but not least, how did I not know these existed? My girl Cammie at Keep Disney would be so proud. Look, it's a Bath and Body Works wallflower. You plug it in and it makes your house smell amazing, but so it's an apple, right? But on the other side is a skull. So when you plug it in, it must look dastardly. And they got me a mahogany apple. Oh, this smells delicious. Like a musky apple. Oh man, Mike's gonna love that. Apple is his favorite. Any apple scent. So stay tuned because I'm definitely gonna plug this in and let you see what it looks like because I'm pumped. So thank you to the Ronsick family. Thank you, Dave, Sam, Emma, Henry. I love everything so much. I can't wait to open these. Maddie's gonna be so stoked. And we'll see if maybe we can complete the collection. Got 6 boxes, so hopefully I'll make out okay. My mystery pin unboxing luck has been a lot better than my wishable luck, so I can't wait to make stuff out of my cookbook. Thank you. And this is like next level. I can't get over how creepy and awesome this is. Thank you everybody for watching. I hope I wasn't too long-winded. Let me know what your favorite part of the video today was. I'm going to be completely honest, and my favorite part is the drawings from Emma. So cute, so sweet. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned to see my creepy poison apple. And we'll see you next time. Bye. All right, are we ready for this?
Oh my gosh, the coolest day ever.